I'm Miriam Larici.
I'm Leonardo Barrionuevo and welcome to our new video. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and activate the bell notification, like the video, that is much appreciated, and leave the comments if you have any.
Yes, on this video we are going to talk about tips for the followers to get into the dance easily. If you watch the other video, we were talking about the chair position, the upper body position, the phone, conversation. On this one, we are going to talk about your face and your mood, followers, when you sit at the Milonga, when you enter at the Milonga and greet the friends.
We as the leaders, we are paying attention to that. Yes, it's very, very important because if you are having a smiley face, you are our next victim.
So you enter at the Milonga and you see friends and then your face in the negative case. So you enter with all your problems from work, house or whatever, or maybe you were fighting with someone outside and you enter with those feelings and we can see it. We can see that you are close, your face is closed, you are not saying hello to everybody, you sit there very serious. So that gives that image of it's not friendly. If they don't know you and you go to the Milonga, she's not friendly. She's not having a good time at the Milonga. Maybe she doesn't like the music. Maybe she is encountering a person that she doesn't like. She's in a bad mood. So that gives a leader a message, right?
Negative message, I would say. Yes, it's like probably we are not inviting you to dance because it looks like we are not going to have a fun time dancing with you with that face.
Unless it's a person who wants to change your mood, but most of the people are going to the Milonga to have fun. So you have to enter with that mood. Mm-hmm. You have to leave your problems outside. And this is a good excuse. Leave all your problems outside and go to a neutral place, which is the Milonga, and forget for a couple of hours about things from life. Get that escape at the Milonga and allow yourself to enjoy the moment and share that with other people. So on the opposite side, when the follower enters with a smile, saying hello, hello to faraway person, and look at the leaders smiling, you don't have to be laughing or doing
or being fake.
Don't do something that you are not really feeling, but try to transform your feelings into that present moment where you are going to a place to have fun. See, don't carry all your problems into that place because you are not going to be very welcome or you are not going to get much to the dance floor.
Yes, if you're in the case that now we're talking about greeting friends, if you don't have friends because you are new at that Milonga or whatever, if you are going to be going again to that Milonga, make sure to see where the people at that Milonga is taking classes. So go assist a class for fun, make new friends. Yes. That is very, very important. That's where you make new friends, and then at the Milonga you say, hey, this is the lady from the class, I will invite her to dance. Another thing, talking about the faces, yes? Be open, like Miriam was saying, be open to have fun, to spread joy, yes? And what I'm going to say is, it will sound rough, but the thing is not to expect charity from a leader. Oh, I'm going to invite that lady that doesn't have a nice face, but she's not dancing, so I will go. That is not the point at all. It's not charity. Be open to have fun so the leaders can say, hey, I want to dance with her. Yes?
Yeah, that's a very nice point.
Yeah.
So allow yourself to have fun and bring that joy. Try to connect with the joy of the Milonga community, of the people at the Milonga. Everybody's having fun. It doesn't mean that if you have a problem, don't go to the Milonga. Mm-hmm. Go to the Milonga, but try to transform those feelings, and you're not going to resolve anything on those 4 hours, yes. Right? This is like when we go to sleep at night and you are thinking about your problems. Next day, what happened the day before. This is a moment to sleep at night. You are not going to solve any problem on the night of sleep. This is the same case at the Milonga. You are not going to solve any problem during the Milonga. So allow yourself to forget, let go of the problems and enjoy the moment, enjoy the music, enjoy the company, enjoy your friends, make new friends, smile with people that you don't know. This is a safe place to make new friends. So if you don't know one person next to you on the same table or next table, it's very nice. I see this a lot. They cross and they go, hey, hello, I'm Miriam. How are you? Who are you? How is your name? So you contact a new person and you make new friends.
Yes.
Be open to make new friends, because the way you do that is going to make you feel better when you go for the second time, or sometimes you meet this person in another milonga and you already go and you have one person that you know and you can sit together. It's much better rather than close yourself and go with all these problems, and I'm not going to say hello to her and I don't know that person, so I don't say hello to that person because I don't know. No, be open and change your habit, change your attitude, and you have a lot of fun if you do that. You make new friends, and the Milonga night will be like a dream. I can assure that. We can assure that, right?
Yes. Just to conclude, have a smiley face, very nice attitude, not a grumpy face. Yeah?
Yes.
So we'll see you on the next one, and we would like to remind you that we have online tango training. So visit miriamleonardotango.com to find out more information. We are always uploading videos of vals, milonga, tango nuevo, milonguero style, ladies styling, leaders technique, and all these are courses from the beginning until the end, very, very, very complete in one solid place.
Remember, the best way to be ready is to stay ready, okay? You don't have to get ready. Be ready now, train, and that's it.
We'll see you on the next one.
See you. Bye.